What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I've been excited for the past couple of days, and just recently, the live stream that we did this morning, things weren't really looking that great. They did pull back quite a bit, which is something we expected, right? We expected that to come from Bitcoin reaching certain levels. Honestly, seeing Bitcoin hit levels of 85,000, 86, 87,000, thinking that we're going to see a pullback from there. But seeing a pullback from $90,000, I mean, that's definitely a level I didn't expect to see this soon, right? But still, seeing it, absolutely amazing. And who knows, we could still see more of that. We could still see it progress and end up seeing a lot more gains there. But we're also seeing that trickle down to kind of other things as well, not including Ethereum, because Ethereum is down and some other things are down as well. But over the last 24 hours, everything still looks okay. It's just from where we were, kind of those high points, we're definitely at a lower level from those high points. But in this video, I want to talk about XRP, because XRP is seeing some positivity today, while some other things might not be seeing as much positivity. So I want to look at the chart. I want to look at XRP. I want to show you where it is. I want to talk about why this is still only just the beginning. It's just getting started for XRP. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of my links down below for Twitter, for Patreon. Those links are in the description. And don't forget about my link for BTTC. This is a platform that honestly is a really, really good platform. I've been utilizing it for a little over 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks now, and we're sitting at a gain from $250 that we invested all the way up to about $700 from where we are today. Made a couple of leverage trades as well, but you can get 10% deposit bonus with this platform, $500 USDT or more, $10,000 in extra bonuses up to, right? And then you see 40% lower trading fees, as well as being able to trade 500x leverage. I will recommend that you always stick to your strategy, remain disciplined, and if you don't know what leverage trading is, make sure you educate yourself on leverage trading. And one more thing, set yourself a stop loss, because you need it in every scenario. So feel free to do that. But also check out my link down below if you guys want to get started. I also have a link for Margex down there if you want to check out Margex. These are some of my profits that I've gained on Margex, and a lot of other people that have gained a ton. I'll provide that right below BTCC, so feel free to check that out in the description. But XRP is at a great spot. We've been talking about XRP for the longest time. I have 90,000 XRP, and to see the level of volume that we're seeing now is absolutely amazing. The current price for XRP is at a 69 cent, almost 70 cent level. It actually did reach 70 cents today. And just before recording this video, it was just at a level of 70 cents. So it just came back a little bit and now is below 70 cents. But the high point that it got to was 70.09 cents for this day. And the last day for the low was 59.39 cents. All-time high, $3.84. I believe it can easily get back to that point, but the conversation is how far past it can it get. But the real thing, or the big thing that I want to point out with XRP's performance, is definitely the volume. Volume overall has increased, where we've seen north of $300 billion in the entire market for the last 24 hours. We're talking about just 24 hours, we see $300+ billion that circulates through this market. That's amazing to see. But 10 or almost, let's round up instead of rounding down, a 10 or 11 billion is going towards XRP alone, up 188% in the last 24 hours for this position. Volume to market cap ratio shows the level of popularity that it does have, 25.99% compared to the market cap that it's at. Now, I know some people are probably like, why is it not skyrocketing? Why are we not seeing XRP at a level of $1 already? When everything else, Bitcoin is reaching $90,000, you see Some things like ADA that's making moves. You see Dogecoin that's pumping up to 40 plus cents and hitting some of these massive levels. Why isn't XRP making these moves? And should we, even though see the 16-17% gain, should we be happy with this and just give up on XRP? And the answer to that for me is an astounding no, right? We shouldn't, right? XRP has so much more left on the table, especially with understanding the information behind the lawsuit, understanding the different use cases, understanding the different people, the community, and the conversations that happen surrounding this. It has so much more to offer than just a 17% gain. This is why I hold 90,000. I don't hold 90,000 for a 17% gain. I don't hold 90,000 for a 30 or 40 or 50% gain. I see so much more growth and future behind where this stands. Now, over the last 7 days, it is up by 35%, and over the last month, it's up by 32%. We've seen this rise from a level of 50 cents all the way up to 70 cents. Now, I know the next thing that people will say is, as you look in at the long term, you're going to see that we've been here. Right, we've been at a level of, if we look at the last year in general, right, we've been here time and time again, right? We've been up to 70 cents, back down to 50 cents, been up to 70 cents, back down to 40 cents, been up to 70 cents, back down to 50 cents. And then now we're up to 70 cents again. Who's to say that it's not going to drop again? And honestly, we don't know. It could drop again. And if it does, we will still be in the same type of cycle until it fully breaks that cycle. And I think it's going to break that cycle with obviously more and more good news surrounding the SEC, surrounding more legal clarity, surrounding the CEO and the chairman, and so many other people that are getting behind this to create new things, new partnerships, new use cases, or what we thought would be the use case, and kind of, I guess, old use cases at that point, but still believing in XRP and where this can go as a whole. Now, for me, my total balance, if I go to my crypto portfolio, you're going to see that my total balance is $62,620. I have 90,000 XRP, and I'm up $17,000 on my play. I think it can go a lot further than that, and that's why I have a full exit plan. And if you guys want to break down that exit plan, I think I have a exit plan that is my final exit plan on YouTube. If I do, I'll probably try and post it either right now or at the end of this video, so you guys can get a full breakdown of like where I stand with XRP and where I believe it's going to go. But I do want to know where you believe XRP is going to go. How much do you see XRP reaching as a ultimate price? What's the topping out point? Is this gain something that's going to be temporary, or are we going to see this continue and get up to 80 cents and 90 cents and breaking that level of $1 that we know that XRP can do? Because $10 billion is no small feat. We typically don't see that much money that's flowing through XRP, especially during the bear market, and even as we see the come up to the bull market, we haven't seen that. So what does this all tell you? Are you still holding XRP? Did you ever hold XRP? Do you believe in it? Do you not believe in it? Let me know in the comment section below. But if you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links for BTTC for MargX down below in the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.